Namaskar. Welcome to another pranayam. Today we shall be practicing Kapal Bhati. For the first 2-3 minutes, we shall be practicing just a simple breathing exercise followed by Kapal Bhati. The simple breathing exercise is very important to warm our breathing system. I recommend you to practice some yoga, some asana before you practice pranayam. This will really warm up your breathing. Okay, so sit in any comfortable position, preferably with your back upright. Close your eyes. Bring your hands to place them on your lower abdomen. If you want, you can watch me and then close your eyes. Feel the breath as you inhale, as you exhale. Feel the smoothness of this breath. Feel the continuity. Avoid all distractions to pass away, especially distractions of the mind. If any emotions arise, then return back to the smoothness of your breath. Return back to the continuity. Then slowly open your eyes, maintaining the calmness and the awareness of your breath. Okay, it's very important that your breath flows freely. It is very important that you are not tight mentally. If you're mentally tight, then take some time to relax, because pranayam is supposed to take you deeper into relaxation and not hype you up. Okay, these pranayams are not meant to hype you up. And Bhastrika and Kapal Bhati are meant to purify. All right, so there's going to be a longer inhalation, and as you exhale, you're going to exhale with a jolt. So please watch me. All right, so place your palms either on your lap or on your belly, and then as you inhale, the inhalation is nice and smooth. You can do it in a longer inhalation, and as you exhale, give it a jolt in this area, in the abdominal area. All right? Avoid pushing the chest in. That's the worst thing that you can do. Or contracting your back. That's not going to be healthy at all. If you're breathing like this, you are safe. Continue breathing. You can practice either with your eyes closed or with your eyes open. Mianga kine kotat, huh? What's Tiotin what's? Animals are very sensitive to finer vibrations, and pranayama meditation can be very attracting to them. Keep breathing. Remember, anytime you feel exhausted with your breathing, you can stop. We shall continue for a few seconds more. And then exhale and breathe normally. Sit with your spine upright. Just watch the breath as it flows in, as it flows out. As it flows in, as it flows out. And then let us lie down at least for 2-3 minutes. Remember, when you practice pranayama like this, it's very important to give 2-3 minutes to just let go and to relax yourself, and do not finish a pranayama like Kapal Bhati and then get up and go to your normal life. Breath retentions, Kapal Bhati, Bhastrika, these pranayams, they demand a little shavasana. All right, even for 2-3 minutes, that's fine. So let us lie down. And I hope these naughty guys don't disturb me. Hello, there are no crabs over here, please. No kisses, okay? You can extend your legs and just lie down. If you want, you can place your hands on your belly muscles. Just breathe in and breathe out. And then slowly open your eyes and you can turn to the side and sit up. I wish you a wonderful day. Namaskar. God, there are no crabs over here. What do you want? There are no crabs over here. I'm gonna, oh my, we really found a crab. Oh my God, no, leave it alone. Oh my gosh. You found a crab.